Rhymed, right?
Yes, it did. That was good. Figure eight, figure it out. All right.
Yep.
Here they come as Cody Armato's bringing them around. Here they come with your figure eight racing green flag.
So it'll be Schinderling, as you told me, in that 70 machine, trying to work on the inside.
So everybody else is the same. So it's Pearson in the 5.
Oh, it's Eric Pearson in that 5.
Yeah.
70X Tyler Deshane.
Yeah, the 5 Parasite is Nick Schneider.
All right, and speaking of that, the battle out front, Rich Schinderling having a nice little battle with Cody Armato. Taking the inside, outside, figure 8. Mike Maheron kind of trailing back in that 03. We'll see how tight and dicey that fits with those figure 8s. As they come around, they'll go 3 wide as they cut the middle. Ossenson in that 17 machine just blasting by both. But it's Rich Schinderling out front.
Uh-oh, Michael Maheron starting to trail back. Watch the 03 car. Watch our leader. How close are they going to get?
Oh, he's going to go grass line.
To the grass.
Yeah, he wanted to make sure he could get as much. Of course, he drew up some more smoke for these guys for the figure 8 as well.
Here they come. Watch them, folks. Watch them. Watch them. Look out. Look out. Look out. Look out. Look out.
Whoa! Goodness gracious. Rich Schinderling way out front, but that could have ended his night in a hurry.
Here they go again, folks. Watch it, watch it. No, 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 no.
Oh, he's going to take a slow road inside. But he's going to be even more trouble because if he can't get that thing going, as Rich Schinderling is now going to zoom by. So by going slow, Mike Maheron just kind of got even big-time trouble as here comes the caution.
Wow.
Does it pay? Does it pay to slow down?
Well, Michael Maheron stopped. Oh, wait. Oh, look out, look out, look out. Oh.
Goodness.
In slow motion.
I know, right? Just a little taparoo.
He's coming around. Lights are off.
They let
As Rich Schinderling's going to bring him around. Oh, here we go. Great find, and we're racing again. Here comes Nick Schneider in the 5 car. He moves up 3 spots and slams the brakes on.
Yeah, he's in the turbo Jeff Parasite car. We should get some times on that to see if him and Jeff Parasite are running the same in that vehicle.
Yeah, he's definitely running a lot quicker here. Here comes Schneider on the inside of the 70X of Deshane. Maybe. Rich Schinderling is trying to pull away. Then it's Cody Armato, Eric Pearson, Tyler Deshane, and then it's Nick Schneider.
Yeah, Rich Schinderling didn't get too much driving during that Bandit feature as he went down early, so he's taking up the terror right now as this one's going to be a little close on the X.
Look out, look out, look out, look out, look out, look out.
Holy cow! Oh! Somebody check that one on video. I think that one's going to hit about 20K.
They're going to do it again. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen.
Little off.
Let's see what happens here.
Little off. That first one was tighter.
No. Maheron says, nah, I don't think so. All right. That was close.
That's where you want a drone right over the top of that just to see how inches that was.
I think Michael Maheron may have to check his pants after that one in the 03 car.
Schinderling might too, because that could have just wiped out all.
All right, Michael Maheron better get into gear. He's going to get run over. It's Eric Pearson pushing Cody Armato there, almost turned him sideways.
Ryan Ostenson in the 17 machine having some problems. 1 to go.
Uh-oh, watch it.
1 to go. 1 to go when this comes around. Rich Schinderling is going to slide through. No ifs, ands, or buts there. He is posting out a beautiful figure 8 run. Cody Armato in that 26X, the 5E. Can Nick Schneider in the Jeff Parasite thing get up there? No, we got some trouble with the 26X. Rich Schinderling is going to win this entire thing. Tyler Deshane in that 70X possibly got second, as the 03 of Michael Maheron will bring it up last, but he made it more exciting in that 03 as him and that 70 machine of Rich Schinderling got a little close. This is Schinderling's second figure 8 win. Back on the 25th of May was the last time he won. And of course, he's in that Nelson Imports machine there, John.
Set the brake again, Rich. Here's your figure 8 winner of tonight's race. It's Rich Schinderling. Wait a minute. Weren't you just here like 2 races ago? Yeah, that's right. Tell what's that now?
I said the more you're here, the better off you are.
Ladies and gentlemen, figure eight winner, Rich Schinderling. Nick Schneider. How about that? Nick, tell us about it. Week in and week out, beating and banging. This division's just wild and crazy.
Oh yeah, these four-cylinder cars, they're definitely a lot different in the 8, and it's a lot of fun and good hard racing. You got good guys out there. Eric Pearson drove a good year. I mean, I think he was right behind me every time I won, and then he wins, I'm behind him. Richie did pretty good too. He had some car trouble, but Cody in my other car, it's his first year ever in a race car. He's never been in a race car. His first race was a figure 8. I think this is his 5th race ever. So congrats, Cody. He did a good job this year, and man, I'm just thankful Jeff Parasite let me run his car. I don't know, we were pissing water all over the place in the pits. Now the battery is dead or something. I don't know. So luckily we ran his car. We got the title. It's another one for Dad.
Well, let's also make some special thanks. I know you got some people you want to thank, Nick.
Oh yeah, there's Perfect Temp Heating and Cooling, Hardcore Garage Doors, Borderline Auto Sales, Frisch Signs, Ultimate DJ and Karaoke and Entertainment, ADV Racing, Grooming by Valerie, my sister Ashley, Frisch Signs. Car looks phenomenal. It's a little beat up, but Bobby, Charlie, my whole family. There's too many people to remember, so I'm sorry, but I got some really good friends.
Nick, enjoy your moment of glory, sir. Once again, Rockford Speedway, your 2019 Figure 8 Bandit champion.